Hello everyone, and happy new day. Today, I'm going to share a simple trick using garlic to help you grow strong, healthy eggplant seedlings at home. Eggplant is a nutritious vegetable that can support overall health. It contains antioxidants that help protect the heart and blood vessels. It's also rich in fiber, which can support digestion, reduce constipation, and help keep your gut working smoothly. If you enjoy this gardening tip, don't forget to like and subscribe for more growing ideas every week. While waiting for the eggplant seeds to germinate, you can collect containers available around your home to use as planting pots. I always prefer reusing old containers and discarded plastic bottles to grow eggplants, especially when setting up a simple self-watering system. This approach helps save resources and makes gardening more convenient and sustainable. If you enjoy gardening videos like this, please like and support the channel. It really helps a lot. Please support the channel by liking and subscribing if you find this video helpful. After about 10 days of planting, the eggplant seedlings have become healthy and vibrant. At this stage, I begin providing extra care and nutrients to help them grow stronger and develop sustainably. This early support can help the plants build a solid foundation for future growth. First, I remove any weeds and gently loosen the soil to improve air circulation around the roots. I also add organic fertilizer and refill the soil as needed to ensure the eggplant has enough nutrients for healthy and strong growth. This step helps create the best conditions for the plant to continue developing. Don't forget to subscribe and support the channel for more simple and useful gardening tips. Vermicompost is an excellent organic fertilizer for plants because it provides nutrients in a form that is easy to absorb, helping plants grow stronger and more sustainably. It also improves soil structure, making the soil looser while increasing its ability to retain water and nutrients. In addition, Vermicompost encourages strong root development, allowing plants to absorb nutrients more efficiently and grow faster. That's why I always choose vermicompost during every stage of plant care. When the eggplant begins to flower and prepare for fruiting, besides providing enough nutrients and maintaining proper moisture, it's important to add support stakes. Staking helps the plant grow upright, stay stable, and prevents bending or breaking as the fruits become larger and heavier. This support allows the plant to develop safely and produce better results. Don't forget to subscribe and support the channel for more simple and useful gardening tips. It's amazing that it doesn't require too much time or effort to care for. After just 2 months, I can enjoy a reliable supply of fresh eggplants right at home, with plants full of healthy, productive fruits. Growing your own food brings both convenience and satisfaction. If you enjoyed this video or found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who loves gardening too. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next tips, experiments, and harvest updates.